Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful AI tool that is transforming the creation of 3D models. Let's explore Tripo 3D AI. Tripo 3D is an innovative online platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate 3D models from simple text prompts. You input what you envision, and it creates the model for you. Whether you're into game development or product design, this platform simplifies the process of making 3D assets. Upon visiting the Generate Workspace at studio.tripo3d.ai/workspace/generate, you'll find a user-friendly interface that requires no heavy software installations. Simply log in and enter a prompt. For example, type, a low-poly medieval castle with towers. In moments, the AI generates a detailed 3D model for you to explore. Tripo 3D works similarly to tools like DAL, or Midjourney, but focuses specifically on 3D modeling. By describing an object, the AI constructs a mesh based on your input. It utilizes generative neural networks that have been trained on thousands of 3D shapes to produce rapid and functional models. Once your model is complete, you can easily download it in formats such as .glb or .obj. This makes it compatible with popular 3D software like Blender, Unity, and Unreal Engine, fitting seamlessly into existing pipelines. If you need a quick asset for a scene or are working on a prototype, this tool can save you valuable hours that would otherwise be spent on traditional modeling techniques. To generate or export models, you will need an account. However, basic browsing and testing features are typically available for free. Keep in mind that subscription plans may differ depending on your needs, especially for advanced features or commercial purposes. Tripo 3D is particularly beneficial for indie game developers, 3D artists looking to prototype ideas, students and educators, as well as those experimenting with AI in creative projects. If your goal is to bring your concepts into the 3D realm without the hassle of sculpting every vertex, Tripo 3D AI is definitely a tool you should consider exploring. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more insights into AI and creative technology. Don't forget to share your dream 3D prompt in the comments below. Let's discover together what Tripo can create for you.